Hey, this is Matt from Opus KBM. Every week from now on, we're gonna have a midget. It's a short film of us, and it's gonna be like a minute long, 30 seconds to a minute long, and it's gonna come out every Thursday. The short films of us being a-holes and retarded advertising, and we got a sneak peek for you this week. So watch it, but it's not gonna be as good as all the other ones. So don't judge us. That's it.
Talking about the I generation. Yeah, you're part of it. Talking about my I generation. Hey, you're part of it. Talking about the I generation. Yeah, you're part of it. Talking about my I generation. The I generation, new organization meant optimization and unification. When imagination gave participation in creation of culture, a manifestation. The Berlin Wall fell and out we came. The post-Cold War kids laid claim to aim. LOL, OMG, yo, BRB. Space : dash close parentheses. We sat at our laptops and typed away.